Scallions are proof that power does not need volume. They are thin, light, and visually simple, yet they appear in more dishes across more cultures than almost any other vegetable. From street food to fine dining, scallions operate quietly, doing work most people never notice. Botanically, scallions belong to the allium genus, the same family as onions, garlic, leeks, and chives. Most scallions are allium fistulosum or immature forms of allium cepa. What separates scallions from bulb onions is timing. They are harvested before a bulb fully develops. This early harvest changes everything. Structurally, scallions are linear. A white base that grows underground, transitioning into pale green, then deep green hollow leaves. Each section has a purpose. The white part delivers aroma and mild pungency. The green tops bring freshness and color. Flavor-wise, scallions sit in a narrow but powerful lane. They are sharper than leeks, gentler than onions, and far less aggressive than garlic. Raw, they provide brightness and bite. Cooked, they soften into sweetness. This dual personality is why scallions are everywhere. They can be eaten raw, grilled, sautéed, roasted, or used as garnish. Few vegetables operate comfortably across so many states. Raw scallions cut through richness. Cooked scallions build foundation flavor. Culturally, scallions are global. In East Asian cuisines, they are essential. Chinese, Korean, and Japanese cooking rely on scallions as aromatic bases and finishing elements. Scallion oil, scallion pancakes, and scallion garnishes define entire dishes. In Western cooking, scallions are common but rarely celebrated. They appear in salads, soups, omelets, baked potatoes, and sauces. Their role is often invisible, but remove them and the dish feels flat. In Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisines, scallions bridge herbs and onions. They're eaten raw alongside meals, used in yogurt-based dishes, and mixed into spreads. Flavor chemistry explains their versatility. Scallions contain sulfur compounds like other alliums, but in lower concentrations. This reduces harshness and allows balance. Heat transforms these compounds into sweetness rather than bitterness. Texture matters too. Scallions do not collapse instantly when cooked. They soften while retaining structure, especially the green tops. This makes them ideal for quick cooking methods like stir-frying. Nutritionally, scallions punch above their weight. They provide vitamin K for blood health, vitamin C for immune support, vitamin A for vision, and folate for cell growth. They also contain antioxidants associated with anti-inflammatory effects. Their calorie count is low, but their impact on flavor is high. This makes them ideal for nutrient-dense, calorie-conscious cooking. Scallions are also easy to digest compared to bulb onions. Many people who struggle with raw onions tolerate scallions well, especially the green parts. Agriculturally, scallions are efficient. They grow quickly, require little space, and can be harvested multiple times. In home kitchens, scallions famously regrow in water, making them a symbol of food sustainability. This regrowth is not a gimmick. It reflects how resilient and renewable the plant is. Visually, scallions bring contrast. The bright green tops add life to plates dominated by browns and creams. This visual freshness signals balance and lightness. The biggest mistake with scallions is treating them as decoration only. When relegated to garnish, their full value is wasted. They deserve space in the cooking process, not just the final frame. Another mistake is overcooking. High heat for too long destroys their freshness. Scallions respond best to quick contact with heat or gentle cooking. Scallions do not demand attention. They do not overpower. They do not dominate. They elevate. They connect flavors. They sharpen richness. They finish dishes. Scallions are not the star. They are the reason the star shines.